Can I even swear as much on this platform? I don't even know. Well, so what did Luke update? That's the first question we gotta ask ourselves, because yeah, we don't talk about this. I was actually struggling with this. I could not get update to work for shit. Until I found out you can, like, basically what it does, right? If I add override update, we'll just add a new one because, well, override, and then, oh wait, this is within the override. Yo, we should not do that. Oh my god, I'm already not cooking. Override update. This is how it works normally, but uh, what Airship for some reason does is it keeps on like making this long other version of update. It uses this, the protected update. And I don't know what the difference is, but I wanted this one and I could not get it to work until I actually figured out, hey, I can just type it myself. And then it will work absolutely fine. So that's what I did, and that works now. So that's cool. And this is absolutely useless. Okay, there you go. So this is Airship. We're chilling. What I made so far is absolute dog shit. It goes into the air with a player on it. If the player doesn't fall through the platform, hello. Okay, what? Yo, 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 yo. Provides contact. Do we have to put that to on enabled? I guess not. Like it's still just tweaking. Um, I don't know why it does that. That is so weird. Lol, it makes me double jump, but I can't time it properly to the point where I can get on the platform. Okay, that's interesting. Well, we could just make the platform a little thicker and that will fix probably all of our issues. There you go. And it doesn't. Okay. Now it's becoming annoying. As far as I'm aware, the box glider will always... Huh. Oh, wait, that's interesting. Huh. Um, yeah, maybe we should also make the box glider 6.0.2 and then... Or that would make sense, you know, because the rest is also... Oh, no, no, no. I did not know this was in percentages. Jesus. So we have to make this just the exact thing. We don't have a mesh glider in here. I don't think it would work either. This is just chill because it's a box anyways. It's be working. And it still doesn't. Okay. I don't know what I did. I might have put like something off or... Oh, we could also just change the thickness even more and hope it fixes it. Like, I think I just kind of cooked it by making this, so... Like, it's kind of loading at the same time. It's not the greatest way to do it. I probably have to... Wait. before the player loads in completely and then do it or something. Or what could also work is just give the player more time to spawn. Dude, I just fully glitched through it. Like, I'm sure you're not supposed to, but I am. Yo, I'm slightly brain dead, by the way. That's why I suck at this type of stuff. We're just gonna learn, I guess. Oh, oh, oh. The bigger the box. Okay, and no. Nope. The bigger the box, the nothing. Nope, nope. Go back to small box. I must have done something stupid. Oh wait, it's nothing to do with mesh renders. What? Okay, close the mesh render. The box collider is turned on. Physics material is chill. It's untagged. Transform. I could make it slower. I mean, the scap, like all the objects are cleaned. Hold on, okay, should be fine. Um, let's try some extra code to change the speed a little more. I don't even know. Just I don't even know if this would work. I should probably just be. I think we can't do that. Not allowed to. Dude, I can see it working, but then the character just falls through. It is so weird. Position. Make that like 20. It's in the sky now, like it's far up there. And we just make the platform fly over. Is that like a 0.1 again? Let's see if it works. Like, I'm tinkering around a bit. I'm trying to find out what I can do with the engine. And apparently we cannot make flying platforms. That's just something the engine does not like. Okay, instead of making the character spawn up, let's make the... what was I saying? Let's make the flying object spawn downward. All the way down. We are making this thing go down to like freaking here it is on -2. Let's make that as minus 500. 20 should be enough. 20 should give us load in and stand there for a second. Okay, never mind. I should first be compiling code. There you go. Yo, I just got skipped. I swear I had this working like not too long ago. I swear it was working. I swear. 0.05. Would this work? Like, please tell me this would work. It's just not slower in the slightest. Yo, are we actually gonna do this? Are we gonna make it as slow as that? Yep. Alright, let's see. Yep. Alright, it works now. The character can stand on top of the platform, kinda. It's kinda buggy, but it works. I have a character and it's standing on top of the thing, so. Yo, I didn't even realize we had this. What? We've got crouching in the game. Always. We don't need the bunny emote anymore to crouch in Bed Wars. Oh, this is gonna be great. This is absolutely fantastic. Alright, so as you can see, this is my beautiful beautiful game. I mean, it kind of works. Like, well, it works. This is all fun and games. Now I want UI. I want UI to work. That's the next little step. Which we're absolutely going to read the little thing for. What's it called? The Airship documentation docs. There we go. Platform services. I've never worked with UI in Unity, I think. I've never actually... Ooh, that's interesting. I have actually never worked with UI in Unity. Oh, dude, that's gonna be an experience. Okay, so I'm going to learn how to use a UI in Unity by working on a TypeScript. That's gonna be something. How do I make UI? That's the first... Because here's the Airship assets. I bet all of them are fun, but we're probably just gonna make our own asset folder and create like something. Airship. What is a GUI skin? For God's sake, I'm gonna die. No clue what this is. Okay, we're just going to be working with this, I guess. I see we cannot edit into the thing just on its own. Let's see how it works. You know what? We're just gonna freaking search this up on YouTube. Like, never touched GUI in Unity. Like, develop. No, I don't want this. No, why? Oh, what in the world? Oliver OG. Did he even qualify for LAN? Okay, that's actually an insult, bro. Sorry, I'm distracted. What is this?
Before we start, yeah, shout out to every single one of the names you see in the screen. These are the people who joined my YT membership. Thank you so much, boys, for
I know this dude. And I don't know any of the others. Cool.
joining. I love you all, and may God bless you more for sharing the blessings. I love you all, boys. Thank you. Alright, boys, I was live streaming earlier, and my fans just said it's Crockwall, so I'm gonna try it, okay? If it works, then type the code as well. And for week 4, it is Crockwall, so thank you so much to the people who was in my live stream earlier. God bless you all. And yep, week 1, week 2, week 3, solved, boys. Yo, the update is here, guys. It says maps. Oh, it's here. Yep, exactly. The new Marina Kit skin is here. Clan HQ lobby customization. Customize your clan headquarters with a new skybox or custom lobby music. Just head over to clan shop and purchase the available skyboxes or soundtracks and select your... Bro, I really care about this thing because I don't really, you know, do clan wars and stuff like that. But customize your clan headquarters. Should I do that? I think I'll do that soon, bro. But anyways, new clan shop items, void skybox clan, and void music soundtrack. Okay, bro, that's actually stupid. Clan crate altar upgrade, yes. Summertime dessert, Marina Kitskin, okay. And Yamin is free and Nyx is free. 5v5 map changes have had their build limits changed to prevent building under the map. Oh, okay. And they have some new maps as well. Oh, there are kits that has been buffed. Sorcerer, ability block. What is a sorcerer? What kit is that? What the frick is a sorcerer, bro? What is a sorcerer? What the frick is that? Can someone explain to me what a sorcerer kit is? Pyro has been buffed as well. Isabel has been buffed. Flora.
Ability block damage increased to tier 3 and 4. Now there's significantly more. Do they mean the one kit? The one that shoots like firebolts?
Has been buffed and Eldrick Shield no.
Okay, whatever. For this, we were here for Unity tutorial.
Before we start, yeah, shout out to every single one of the name.
Okay, so what I was doing, I was searching. Why am I getting Ryan Trahan on my page as suggested? Okay, whatever. I was trying to search for a specific thing. How to make UI in Unity 3D pipeline. How the hell do I get UI into my 3D pipeline? I have no clue. Please explain.
Great games' unsung heroes are great user interfaces. I've grown to love Unity's UI creation system, but it admittedly took a little bit to get the hang of. Since making UI isn't at the core of most gameplay mechanics, it can be easy to neglect, especially if you really don't know where to begin. In this video, we'll walk through the basic concepts of creating UI in Unity. I spent some time working on this 2D platformer, and I'm liking how it's coming along. I mean, look at how cute this fox is. Anyway, the objective is pretty simple. Collect all of the diamonds in the level and get to the finish line while avoiding a rising Indiana Jones style spike trap. However, right now, the only way to play the game is to load up the scene that contains the level. That works, but loading into a main menu would be much nicer. Let's make a new scene that will house our main menu and go over the basics of setting up the UI. I'll start here by right-clicking in an open area in my scenes folder, going to create and then going to scene. We'll name this main menu. I'll open up our scene. By default, we'll have a main camera in here, which we'll need for our scene. We'll start here by making a canvas. So I'll right-click in there, go to UI, and then scroll down to canvas.
Oh, okay, that actually makes everything a lot easier. Okay, yep, so we can just go here. UI. Give me a canvas. There you go. I got a
canvas. See, it creates a canvas and automatically also creates an event system.
I can't believe I've never ever looked into Unity, the UI system. Like, I've never, ever, in all the time that I was making Flappy Bird, because Flappy Bird a ton of times, sadly enough, because I fucking suck, and I still don't have one that actually works well. Jesus Christ. Every single time when, like, the pipes come in, and you actually need to make pipes that, like, move over the screen, I just get stuck for some reason. I just can't.
And if I go to the scene view and zoom out, you can see my canvas here. So the canvas is sort of like art. It's properly named. It's basically your area where you're going to put stuff on, and you can see there's some scripts or components that are automatically added. So we have the canvas, and there's this render mode drop down. World space is useful for if you want like a name tag or something in the world. So if you want UI that is placed in the world, this is good for that. I've never used screen space camera. There is a description in the Unity docs. I'll link that in the description if you want to check that out. I think almost every time that I've used UI, I've used screen space overlay. Sort order, if you have multiple canvases, this can help you get things on top of other things if that's sort of what you want to sort of just order things. So just be aware of that. The canvas scaler helps when you're doing a game that
Shit, wait. Does Unity it doesn't have a system for creating UI, right? So do I have to like use things like oh dude. Oh my god. I'm struggling. Um External program to create UI. Figma, this one. Adobe XD. Yeah, used to use this, isn't supported anymore, so can't really do anything with it. Only Windows 10 is has support for Adobe XD, I'm pretty sure. So that's just cooked. We can use Figma, technically, I think, yeah. We just
might be at different resolutions. It's a really quick way to just sort of get something in that makes things scale properly. So right now it's at constant pixel size, which means that nothing will ever scale. But you can do
I'm aware, by the way, that no one's watching, but I'm still yapping because I'm making this into a video later, so that's why there's both yapping and me goofing around going on.
scale with screen size and then choose your preferred resolution. And then as you change the resolution of your screen, it will match that either to the width or the height, and it will scale your UI. I like to focus this on my own resolution on my own monitor, so I usually do 920 by 1080.
Huh, huh. That's your screen res? Man, that is not even an awkward screen res. I'm using like, what is my screen res at this point? It's fucking 2516 by 1600. 60 by 1600. Fucking the weirdest screen res ever. Like a normal person would use this, but this is just what the screen is, so I'm using that.
And then leave it to width. One of the things that can be really hard to understand at first is if I make a cube in here, so I have something physical in the scene, and go to it, you can see my actual cube is super tiny, and I have this giant UI in my scene, and it can be sort of like confusing in a lot of ways. It's just how Unity does it, so it's just something that I've gotten used to, and over time you'll probably get used to it as well. If it absolutely drives you crazy, you can always go to the gizmos and turn off canvas, and that should help. One of the most important tools for your canvas is panels, and I see sort of panels as containers in a lot of ways, if you're familiar with web design. So if I click on canvas, right click, go to UI, and then go down to panel, you can see I get this panel that extends the entire width of my canvas. That's because I have this rect transform that is set to stretch, and it's white, and it has an alpha. So if I set this all the way up, you see it's fully white. By default, Unity uses this background. If you set it to none, it'll just essentially be a rectangle. And then you can also put in here any sort of sprite that you want, and we'll get to that a little bit later. So here we have our panel set to stretch. You see we have this top, left, right, bottom options. If I put a number in here, let's say 100, you can see that from the left it pushes this in 100, and we can do that for all of these. And so what that means is that it will scale to the size of the canvas, but it will always stay 100 from each of these edges. When I have
So the panel is basically first of all, we're gonna have to open the canvas. This is already cooked because it's in freaking. Can we screen space overlay? Can we go into a 2D editor? Is that a possibility? Because this sucks. I have no clue what's going on. I think everyone understands. Because the dude, what? Yo. Why does my canvas not have... Oh. Oh, I know why my canvas doesn't show lines. It actually does. It shows borders. Nice. Okay. All I needed. Um, Wait. You're not showing borders. You're just a random ass dot in the middle of my screen. Jesus. And that doesn't fix it. This is supposed to be my gizmos. Yo. Okay, I guess we are just going into scenes, because this is not working very well. Scene. E. Past. Best. Yes. Save. Is this the second scene now? Like, is this what we're working with? Yep, this is just an empty scene with a main camera. But it's fully in 3D as well, so that sucks. Yo, I told you to delete this one. Okay, cool. Well, we got our nice mouse tweaking, all that stuff, the good stuff. Oh, I love this. I love when this happens. When we just randomly get the entire thing to tweak. Okay, now that we're back, we have cube, we have canvas, which for some reason is in 3D. We're just, maybe we should try a different version of Unity. Just maybe. Maybe that's smarter. I am so fucking lost. Oh wait, small. Yo, you're goated. Yes, yes. Why do you not have speed auto clicker on when you're on Unity? Oh yeah, that's pretty smart. I have to add texting or any UI. That's why I don't watch that. Do this. Yeah, sure. There is a canvas. Wait, hold up. Did I not add the thing to it? UI. I don't know. Oh, smart. Jesus, thank you. That helps quite a lot. And I'm still stuck. But that doesn't matter. At least it works now. Um, and I could just do this, right? Yeah. Only thing I'm confused about is that I still cannot see the borders of the canvas, which I would love to see that. Um, where the hell is it? Like, oh, jeez. Ugh. Yo, that looks absolutely amazing. I want to see my borders. It should be in this, right? But I don't know where the fuck I would have to find it. There are so many gizmos down. How many? Jesus. I don't know. I don't know. I am too stupid for this. Thank you though, Small. That helped actually. That ass. And now I am completely lost again, but that's alright. Scale with screen size, reference size. Uh, 2560 by, fuck, what is it? A different 1600? Yes. Everyone's gonna love that. I don't know how to make it visible. Like, I'm too stupid. I don't get it. Like, it should be in here. Somewhere. Somehow, but auto behavior, that doesn't really matter. Do we just have the U for UI or something? Oh, but we don't. Okay. Oh wait, literally the video showed how.
I have my panel selected UI, sort of spread canvas, but so right click, go to UI, and then go down to panel. So I have something physical in the scene and go to it. You can tiny, and I have this thing that I've as you crazy. You can always go to the gizmos and turn off canvas.
Oh, it's canvas. It has to be turned on and give gizmos. Bruh. Ah. Uh-huh. Amazing. Okay. I love this. This is absolutely great. Fantastic. Um, why is it not letting me change? There you go. Um, yeah, I might as well just do this in 2D. I am still too stupid to do this, but it's chill. I'll be there at some point. Somewhere today, hopefully. Jeez. Should go back to making Flappy Bird in C Sharp instead of fucking trying to code in bullshit TypeScript. I hate this. I'm never going to do this ever again if Airship flops. It's like such dog shit. Wait, would I be able to do this? Oh, um, I think he kind of missed the drama. It's alright though. What the fuck is going on in here? Okay, cool.
And that should help. One of the most important tools for your canvas.
We're just gonna use Figma. I'm done. Design bullshit. Yep, I don't care. Go on. It's gonna open. Oh no, it's not opening an icon set. No, it's not. No. Oh hell no, I almost crashed my PC. GG's. Just use this there. Don't ask what this is. I was trying to skill shit and it didn't work well, so I just immediately stopped. Just make a new design. I don't know if we can use Figma for. Can you use Figma for Unity? I wouldn't even know. We're just gonna try. If it doesn't work, fuck that. Wait, probably the best way to try is just to make a single element. Freaking iOS material kit simple design system. That's all they have? What? Can we not just file, export? Dude, how are you gonna act like nothing exists? Nice. Okay. What the fuck? How about you delete this page? I don't need it. How do I export this bullshit? This is why I'm so against using Figma for shit. Like, dead ass. Wait, this is a layer. Wait, you're trying to tell me this is a canvas? We don't have a. Okay. No, not a layer. Jesus. You gotta make a frame. That frame has to be quite big. 0, 2560 by 1600. There you go. This is that frame. Okay, wait, what if we don't do that and just make the frame this? And then we do everything in this frame. Because, you know, that would be pretty practical. 800 by 500. Looks fine to me. And then we do build freaking square in this from one side to the other side. We change the ratio of this thing because you know that's the way. Uh, I did graphics design for what? Jesus, I don't even make a normal frame, but oh well. The opacity of that frame can go back to 0. I don't need the frame. I don't even know if the frame needs to be added in. The rectangle itself can have opacity, just the frame can. Okay, never mind. I guess opacity needs to be 100 because otherwise this frame is going to be weird. Okay, well, file, export, yo. Okay, this is a layer. We can select this and export it, right? Okay, come on. What is this? Yo, why can we not? Yo, I'm so confused. It's a frame. It works. Why can we not export this? Like, huh? Yo, yo, it's cooked. It's over. We're not using Figma. Fuck Figma. It's the one thing I hate even more. Don't watch that. Do this. Learn the basic first. I know, but like I cannot be bothered. Honestly, I can't. It's fine. I can probably learn the basics. It's gonna be a struggle. But like when I open it right now, add this over the characters view, right? Yes, it does. Oh my freaking god, that looks terrible. But hey, that makes sense. What if we just add text? Will that work? Um, yeah, we should add some text to this panel. Trust UI, text mesh pro, text. Beautiful. I could just ask Luke how to do it, but like annoying snake tricks for every single little fucking thing that I don't know, which is a lot, is going to be so cooked. Like I'm going to be like absolutely blocked by everyone within 5 hours. Because the amount of questions, bro, it's actually insane. Dude, actually today this is deadass something I had to ask him, bro. For some reason, if I open code on TS, it doesn't open the option. It just has void call. It doesn't have the update. So I had to ask Luke, where is it? How the hell to update it? Where's that shit? Where's this bullshit? Where? What? Huh? Where? Here. In the world? No, this loops. This is something different. Dude, this, bruh. And like, at the end of the day, it's just this. It's override update. But, well, okay. I'm too ed to understand that sometimes the code isn't in the thingy. And you just gotta edit yourself for some reason. Like, if you look at his code, this is the shit. This should just be in there. For some reason, my shit doesn't have that. So that's random. But it's alright. It works now, I think. I hope. It best work. Oh well, whatever. We have text. Wow, text in the screen. Uh, now I gotta edit that text somehow. Oh wait, how about I go into the right editor? That would work. What if I set this text to the player's name? That would probably be kind of funny, just for the jokes. Just so you have like something that is less dog shit than just text. And I would not know how to transform text actually. Oh my fucking god. Well, it don't matter. We're gonna find it out. Uh, uh, yeah, code. Where is it? Create airship. Game config TypeScript. There it is. Um, text the name, whatever. It doesn't matter what the code is called, Loki. It just needs to be there. And then we go into this. And we use the void call. Oh wait, it's over here already. Why do I have ETS? I don't care about ETS. Do like freaking game object dot um um yo, my brain froze. Give me 2 seconds. I didn't even edit to the thing yet. Somehow I forgot that. There's probably easier ways to do this, but it's fun careless. What? Why is text so? Why? Yo, that's This is actually really cool. Yo, I need to look in Unity more. Like, Unity is so sick. Just compared to Roblox Studio, it's way better. Next onto someone, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, no, that isn't really necessary because if I can show snapshots of what Airship looks like, you have name tags, so it shouldn't be an issue. Where is it? Chat package cube. I think this shows it. Okay, where the hell did the name tags go? Yeah, here it is. See, it has name tags, so you don't really need to override that. Thank the gods. And then like I'll just add like text in the screen because why the fuck not? For trolls. And I don't know how to access the object now. So you have the game object, which is the object you have on your screen, and then you have to go to the text. But I don't know, like it's probably not this easy. So I would not know what the hell I need to do now. This game object dot game object. Yo, can I just keep on doing game object dot game object dot? What is this even? What is this? What if I print? I want to know what this is now. No, wait. Game object dot game object dot game object. I don't know if this is an airship function that you can just stack game objects, but that's weird and it's not giving errors, which makes me even more confused. Now I want to try it. Wait, is it in the text? And is it on void? Void start, yes, it does. Oh, okay. Let's open console and see. Oh, okay, yeah, nice. Mm, XCMP Unity Engine dot game object. But what is textcmp dot game object then? Like, huh? That doesn't make sense. Yeah, cool, but like, every mouse quick fan, my son, and oh, no, do this bullshit. Can we not do this? Yo, I don't know who this is. Hey man, if you got 10 alts, just come back on a new alt, you know? You got that. Oh, wait, actually. Oh, wait, that's stupid. That's not the right button. Why is this in Dutch? That makes it so much more confusing. Do we not have ban buttons on this? Man, I wanted to ban him just for the jokes. I could give a moderator as well, that would be kind of peak. I can hide him, but I can't ban him. I'm gonna hide him. Yes. Peak. Let me the server invite to just airship. Okay, sure, man. I can. Actually, dude, I'll put it in chat. It's the easiest way. Just go to this, and then there's like a link in the top. That's the link they use. Like this one. I'm pretty sure that's main airship. The other one is Bed Wars airship, which is different, I guess. I don't know what the difference is, to be honest. Actually, I do know, but the fuck? I'm actually tweaking, bro. I need to get more sleep. What the fuck am I saying? I know what the difference is, but like, it's just not very interesting. Bed Wars airship sucks. It's a dogshit server. Everyone just yaps the entire day about when it's released, when it's released. Like, we don't care. Let us code. Oh, actually, it kind of seems to have calmed down. Yeah, it's chill now. I don't see a single when is Airship coming out message, so that's good. Unblock when? Never. Ha. Take that. Oh my god, a ranking soon. But wait, so I gotta play ranked in a bit. Um, might stream that as well. Why not? Oh, why the fuck? Yo, what? What in the world? Oh. Cooked. Well, now we're in the sky. That's cool. There are two events in the scene. Please what? Please ensure there is always an exact one event system in the scene. Why does this also go for like a million times? Why does this fire once every fucking... It makes no sense. Also, this is not properly sizing itself. Rank is booty, GG easy. Yeah, I know, rank is booty, bro. I literally fucking lost. I was gold 2 when I started in this season. I fucking got resetted to silver 3 by Bacon his clone. I don't know how. Like this nerd, bro. We're literally like I was gold, but the rest is like plat plus. And then like somehow we fucking lost a million times to Bacon. And then we just got full reset. I was like silver 3 at the end of the day. It was so cooked, bro. I had to get all the way out of silver again. It was fucked. Well, solo queue does it the job, I guess. So that works. That ain't the worst thing. But now like ranking up is hard because now every fucking team is dog shit, so you can't really solo queue because then you just get dog shit teammates. Did you put in it on update or start? Get that from Bamboo. What do you mean? Like the code for the thing itself? Hold up, let me share the code. Oh, the code is beautiful. Oh, this is the wrong code. This is just a fucking object on start, but that's not the main issue, I think. I think this is where we're going wrong. I think something is wrong with the update. Bamboo Station teams are bad. No, that's cap. They're not terrible. It's just we have one nightmare, like X Nightmare, and the rest is just mid on one team, and my other team is just like good all over the place, but like they are never on for fuck's sake. So yeah, I'm pretty much ranking with like a mid team the entire time. So it is what it is. But this is the code. It's like it's mid. I don't know. It works. At least it worked. I don't. It worked. It keeps on outputting some bullshit. I'm guessing I might have put this into the wrong. Hold up. What if I just do this? Will it stop giving out errors if I go to hierarchy? This, this, this. No, I will keep on having issues. I think this is updating every frame, so that must be the update thing. Isn't the Nightmare is the Nightmare that good? N nah, the Nightmare is decent. Like decent enough to go around. Like when I was on a crappy laptop, we would go around even on LG. So I guess he's my server, so like he's decent, I guess. He's not the best player, obviously, but we are all fucking terrible at the game, so that doesn't really matter. Well, I'm gonna go eat so I can rank after. Like better than you or not? Well, he had nightmares, so at some point he was better than me, but now he's just dog shit, to be honest. He doesn't even know what the fuck Clan War is, so he's been off this game since season 1, probably. Maybe you could join Loki. I'm just gonna go off now though, because I'm gonna go eat so I can play ranked later.